Welcome back guys, CryptoFollow channel. Let's take a look at the OP USDT trading pair with my custom market set, Optimism. Today I want to show you some updates because yesterday, finally, our alerts, what we had in December 11, this one, we had alerts in previous video, buy signal on trade on indicator on daily time frame. And only now, almost after the months, this alert triggered. I would like to double check if it's confirmed or not. So the idea was next. Let's go. The global idea, guys. I'm still. Let's first the monthly time frame show you. The global idea. I still think we will reach at least $3 to sweep the buy side liquidity. After that, it will be hard to say are we hit the new all-time high or not, because it was so obvious. Three drives pattern. 1, 2, 3. Everybody's screaming. We're going to the moon, to the $10, to the 15, to the 20, to the 50. All of these absolutely random numbers, and we top it on a monthly time frame with 3 drives pattern. How to work with a 3 drives pattern? I highly recommend you go and check free educational video. This is a 2025 yearly open. So just to be honest, I'm not sure when and if we will reach this target this year or the next one. So at least I think we'll rebound to sweep this buy side liquidity, test the order block on the weekly time frame mostly, close of course the weekly fair value gap, close all monthly gaps, and around that $3 it will be the point of decision. Are we just bounce and form another low, or we go to the new all-time high? So this is a 1, 2, 3, and now we formed the same story, like 1, 2, and gonna be the 3. So 3 waves up, 3 waves down. All right, let's go to the weekly time frame. What are we forming here? Guys, if we drop under the October low, I showed you, it's approximately 1625. It's a price discovery zone. It's just an open space. Nobody knows where the optimism will stop if we will drop under 16 cents. Maybe I don't know, maybe to some seed rounds or so, private round prices. Also, this was an idea about the drop to close the 50% October 10. This idea done. It's just a matter of time. What we can't know the time. So I mark the potential like December. So we close in the end of January. All right, done. What next? So this block is closed, right? This is a listing price. We also can delete. To talk about an upside move, we need to break this structure. 85 cents. So the pretty simple idea now for the optimism. If we drop, for example, the BTC go to 72K, we can or just sweep liquidity and immediately rebound to the break of structure on the weekly time frame and go directly to the weekly fair value gap. After that, they form the correction, for example, by timing. Let's say this is a February, we recover back, correction March, April, May, we reach $3, go into the bear market again. Again. And if not, we can recover from now. If third scenario, we can go to 0, add one more zero, and be delisted from the exchange. So guys, any of these 3 scenarios is possible. My take for optimism would be good to see honestly BTC to 72K, one take. After that, I wish to see some recover more on alts and break the structure on optimism. Also, sooner or later, believe it or not, but here we form the weekly gap bullish one. So we will, with a sweep of liquidity or without a sweep of liquidity, we will rebound to 50 cents and the 64. So if you want to buy now at 23, at 46, just withdraw initial deposit and sleep well with the free optimism tokens. So this is local zones. This is my take for most positive case scenario this year, this spring or autumn. After that, we need to take a look at the timing and the world situation in general, right? With the macro, with the Donald Trump. So let's take a look, guys, of the updates. So here, trade on. Trade on, guys, the signal not confirmed. So yesterday, we can see the signal buy, for example, but when the candle close, the signal can disappear because it can be not confirmed. Because, for example, yesterday we saw the signal to buy, and after that, the market once again crashed down. And Sunday. So now we still not see the signal to buy. So let's add alert again to the buy on trade on the daily. Here 12 time frame, I guess, still also not confirmed, but at least we saw the signal take profit. So it's good. It's bullish. So we saw the signal to sell here, January 26, January 26. Yes, Wednesday 14, January 26. Signal to sell, drop, take profit from that sell. So we need to close our short position. So it's bullish signal. All right. Now we can wait the signal to buy on a daily or on 12 time frame. Nice one. So the trade on the weekly, this kind of bad because we didn't see the take profit signal. Sometimes, guys, I totally understand. It sounds unrealistic one. Like maybe we will not see the signal take profit, but after the time anyway, like the previous years showing us, most of that alerts will be triggered. It's just a matter of time, right? Sometimes even the worst case scenario, what we can't even imagine, become reality. And the best option, what we can do is just add alert and wait. That's why maybe one day we'll see the signal take profit from the sell. It's not necessary, so we will see this take profit even if we rebound like this one. No, the take profit could be here when we need to stop selling the optimism and start buying back. So just in case, the same story on 12 time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame, and the monthly time frame. So trade on weekly time frame, no signal take profit. On some alts, we saw the signal take profit. What we can see on a weekly time frame on Optimism now. So technically, we underrated, definitely underrated. So it would be good to see that once again, bounce like this one, signal to sell here at the top and go down. So my take is $2.50, $3 still in play on the weekly time frame. Daily, we saw underrated. We never seen the biggest drop, only bigger was here, and that time in August we rebound from $1.06, we rebound to $2.77, so at least 100%. So now we are in the same zone, and yes, would be good to see the bounce. So once again, if you want to buy now, 23 at 60.46, just withdraw initial deposit. Direction, some accumulation on the daily is good. Weekly only now some signals of accumulation. It was accumulation, some bounce from 50 cents to 85. It's not a big deal. Now, once again, accumulation. So I repeat again, the best case scenario, it's a drop, sweep 16 cents and rebounds again. The dashboard, guys, highly recommend you use the dashboard. It's all in one place. You can adjust your time frames and track on the screen, all indicators. So market mood, definitely, guys, it's capitulation, millions tokens now in the same condition. So market mood, makes sense. Even double check on the weekly time frame and the monthly if it's old tokens, not a brand new one, because almost all of them in total disbelief, total capitulation. Daily, yes, it's also capitulation zone, so it's bullish. It's bullish. Money power, let's take a look there. Some money inflows here was January 31 and the February first day, and now nothing. A weekly, no accumulation yet, no money inflow. Let's add alerts to the money inflow on weekly. Last time when we saw the money inflow, it was June 25, so we bounced from 45 cents to 88. So at least 100%. Once again, guys, if we will see the money inflow now, and I'm more than sure we will see the money inflow now, we'll rebound 100% at least. And if you buying on a spot, withdraw initial deposit. If you buying with leverages, add the stop loss to the break even and take profit. Take profit is never a mistake. The last one, again, guys, indicator, take profits. So Optimism is so underrated. So fundamental value of the OP now is 54 cents 27. Take profit line is $1.43. It's a weekly fair value gap. Exit line is $1.63. Monthly time frame, there is no data, but oh wow, take a look at the monthly time frame. The big guys accumulate. All these same periods, some big guys accumulate. Makes sense. So it's not a like time to sell. Time to sell at least was here, right? Now we're at the bottom. How long we will be at the bottom and in accumulation stage, we can't know because we can't work with the timing. Daily, we already bounced it from the buy line, so it's good. So retest of the buy line can be again at 21 cents 20. For the value of the daily time frame, it's 1581. So this is for me personally the best option to sweep the low and recover more. But I'm not sure we will. And the take profit line on the daily 42.27. 23. And here, the 12 time frame, the buy line is 19.95. Take profit 39.43. So the best option for me is this V-shape recover move. Grab liquidity and go higher. Also positive case if we just recover from now. Negative if we drop on the 16 cents and go into the price discovery mode. So guys, write please in a comment what you think about OP. If you like to trade with my customer cassette and add the same alerts like I did and track everything just with alerts and notification on trading, you just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Mategam channel. See you next time, guys.